everybody, it's Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. So quick video, want to do some sublimation wallets. So I picked up these wallets on Amazon, and just a men's wallet. I'll just show you real quickly what it looks like. So they come individually wrapped. You have your sublimation part in the front, your wallet, and then it's just black. So here are the measurements. Going up is 3 3/4, and coming across is 3 7/8. So I have an image printed that I sublimated. So this is on the A-Sub sublimation paper. So I just measured it, kind of got it a little bit larger than the space, and it's going to go like that. I'm going to press for 60 seconds on 400, and I'm going to move on over to the heat press. So I'm using an image that's a little bit larger than the one I first started with, because I want to make sure that I can get around the edges. So I just have this here. I am going to press it actually just the way that it is, and just hopefully I got enough pressure on it. And just want to line this up like so. There we go. And I'm going to tape it down. To the table, or to the press, I should say. Okay, so we got it taped down. I want to release some of this press hook because I was just doing a shirt, so I know it's got good pressure on it right now, and I don't need that much. All right. I want to cover it so that when it bleeds a little bit, it doesn't go on my press. And I got good pressure, and it's pressing for 60 seconds. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, that came out nice. Okay, so this is just some water on this paper towel. Just wanting to see. I can't imagine them having a sublimation wallet that can't take heat. That wouldn't make much sense. Yeah, it's just like the paper kind of singed to it. So here's the wallet that we sublimated together. And I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put the link in the description. And until next time, take care.